Let Mom know she is the best with a customized party banner for Mother's Day. It's easy to do with the Martha Stewart Special Edition Cricut Explorer Air 2. Use Mom's favorite color and a beautiful font. And go! The Cricut cuts cleanly and precisely, doing all the hard work for you. There are countless colors and patterns to choose from. The more, the merrier. Remove the excess material. Iron the pattern onto your canvas banners. Make a washable custom banner that can be used again and again. You will love your Martha Stewart Special Edition Cricut Explorer Air 2 so very much. You'll want to use it for all of your parties and gifts from Mother too. Enjoy!
Subscribe to our channel and share your projects using the hashtag #MakeItWithMichaels.